Alright you guys, what I'm doing first is taking this foundation palette and I'm applying it to the stocking bald cap that I just applied to Cassandra. So what you're just going to do is just going to take a foundation shade that is your skin tone. I have applied this to the stocking cap and as well as the wig if you're not tinting it. Next, I'm going to go into the Bold Hold glue. This is the Bold Hold Extreme Lace Glue, the original formula. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the edge of the bald cap, not on her hairline. I'm going to smooth it out in a thin layer. You want to apply 3 to 6 layers depending on how long you plan on wearing the unit. I applied 3 layers on Cassandra. Once applying the Bold Hold glue, you want to make sure that the glue is 100% dried clear before sticking the unit down. So as you guys see, I'm just applying the unit and making sure it's in the right area. Then I'm just going to take the back of a rat tail comb and just kind of press it onto her skin and make sure that it adheres to the glue very well, while also smoothing down the baby hair so that it's out the way and it dries properly, so that when I go to cut the lace, I'm not cutting any of the hair. Going to apply a scarf to her edges to allow the glue to set for a little while. Then I'm just going to go in. When Cassandra purchased this unit, it was in a crimp style, so we are going to flat iron this bone straight. I'm going to use the tension method by running the straightener through her hair with a comb to make sure that it is as straight as possible. I want to mention that Cassandra is wearing a custom unit of mine. If you guys did not know, for the past 2 years I have been making custom units. So if you guys are interested in having your own very own Desired Beauty custom unit, please head over to my website www.desiredbeauty.net and put your order in today. All units will take a week to 2 weeks to custom make, but once I am done flat ironing, voila, this is the final outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed. She is absolutely feeling this look, honey. If you guys cannot tell, she has been eyeing this unit for a while, so I'm super excited she finally get to purchase her and get it installed, and she looks fabulous. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until the next one, talk to you guys later. Bye.